Welcome to our video guide on managing your website's online activity. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Who's Online tool to gain insights into users currently accessing your website. Let's dive in. Log into the admin area of your website. Click on the Settings, Tools, and then the Who's Online tabs. Explore the Who's Online tab, which presents information in a table format with the following columns: Sales Channel, Online Status, User ID, Full Name, IP address, Entry Time, Last Click, Last URL. If dealing with a substantial amount of data, efficiently locate specific records using the Quick Search feature. Effectively managing your online user activity is crucial for optimizing your website's performance. The Who's Online tool provides valuable insights, allowing you to stay informed about users currently engaged with your site.